Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Honorable Lecturer Miss Dia Supra Balestari MPD, we would like to present our topic entitled Designing Language Assessment Reading. Before we begin, each member of our group will introduce themselves. I am Kayla Aulia as a moderator and first presenter.
I'm Almas Fauzia Silmi as a second presenter.
And I'm Nifaro Turjana as a last presenter.
Alright, we will start the presentation now.
Mm.
The purpose of the text. This slide explains the purpose of the reading text. First, the achievement test is used to measure students' learning outcomes after they complete a lesson of course. Second, the language text focus on reading comprehension skills such as understanding ideas and information in a text. Third, reading text also help develop soft skills, including critical thinking, solving, written communication, and decision making. This purpose so that reading assessment is not only about understanding texts, but also about developing student overall skills. The next slide, the objective of the text. The first objective is to measure students' ability to understand the main idea of the text. The second objective is to assess student ability to find detailed information. The third objective is to measure student understanding of word meanings in context. The last objective is to assess student ability to draw simple conclusion from the text. This objective help teacher of evaluate student reading comprehension in a structured way. Text objective. The main text objective is that students will be able to answer comprehension question based on the reading text. This objective shows whether students truly understand the content and meaning of what they read. By answering comprehension questions, students demonstrate their reading ability and understanding. Okay, the next slide.
Okay, now I will explain about the test specification. So, the mode of the test is individual work, which ensure that the result truly reflect each student reading ability. And the testing method use direct testing because students are tested directly on reading skill through a reading text and related question. And the form of the test is written since the student read the text and write their answer on the worksheet. And for the test type, this assessment use multiple choice cloze test and an essay section. And these different question types help measure various aspects of reading comprehension, such as understanding details, vocabulary, and mind ideas. And this test is designed for 10th grade students, so the text difficulty and question are adjusted to their level. And the duration of the test is 30 minutes and it is conducted online. And last, the test consists of 15 questions in total. Next slide, please. Yeah, Next is test task. So for the test task, first, this test is done individually, so each student work on their own. This is help measure each student reading ability fairly. And the second, students are asked to download a worksheet from Google Drive. There is already the link of Google Drive, so student can download here. And next, uh, student needs to read and give. Uh, so the next is student need to read the given text carefully and complete two sections. First, section A and section B. In section A, focus on multiple choice clause question, and in section B, required answer based on the same reading text. And after completing the worksheet, students must save their work as a PDF file and submit in through a Google form. So this already a link for Google form, so student can submit there. And the last is the total time for this assessment is 30 minutes and it's done while Zoom. So this is time limit help students manage their reading and answering skill effectively. Okay, next slide will be explained by Nifa.
Okay, thank you, Kak Silmi. Okay, in this slide, I will explain about the grading or the scoring system. Okay, in our assessment is divided into 4 main aspects with a total weight of 10%. The first is finding detailed information. In first aspect is the able to find detailed information in section A. Okay, focus ya. In section A, it has a weight of 25%. To a high score from the 20 until 25, you must make sure that almost all of your answers are correct. And the second is 10 until 90. If only a few are correct and the most of them are wrong, your score will be in the low category from 0 until 9. The second is understanding text content. Nah, this is the aspect with the large weight, which is 40%. In assessment section B, this is a 3 level: high, medium, and low. In the high, from 32 until 40. In the medium, 20 until 31. And the low in 0 until 19. And the third is about us understanding mind, ideas, and purpose aspect. Next is understanding the mind, ideas, and purpose of the text, which carries a weight of 20%. In high score from 16 until 20, from the medium 8 until 50, and from the low 0 until 7. And the last is vocabulary in context. with a weight from 50%. Nah, here you need to show that you understand the meaning of certain word or phrases in the sentence, not just their general meaning. And the high score from this aspect is from 20 until 50. That's all the grading and scoring for us. Let's move to the moderator.
Thank you, Niva. All right, that is the end of our presentation. We apologize for any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.